Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today in this video I want to talk about a Falcon X project. This project have a massive technical inside. I will explain each and everything that how can you participate in its sale and how can you buy it and you can hold it and later you can sold and make a lot of profit. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start the further review, I would request you, if you are a new one on my YouTube channel Crypto Rising Star, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear fans, the official website is fallxdex.io. I have placed all official link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So welcome to Falcon X, the next generation DEX built on the high performance Solana blockchains. So at the heart of the Falcon X DEX ecosystem lies the native Falcon X token, a crucial component that fuels the platform. So with a fixed total supply of 10 billion FOLX token, the FOLX token aims to deliver sustainable value and growth for its holder. Now here you can also check on the main side about pre-sale on pink sale. The pink sale fair launch is concluded. Please proceed here to claim. If you want to be checked, it's a live chart. Now you can go to on DEX tool, as well as you can also check out on DEX screener is live chart as well. So first of all, we discuss about dextool.io. Dear fans, if you come on dextool.io, I have placed link in my video description. So here you can also check out its current price is 0.00002525. So here you can also check out FallX with Solana pair as well. So here we can also check out the market cap is $2.52 million and the 24-hour volume is 399.08k dollars. So it's pretty good and well volume here. Here you can also analyze the price chart as well. And dear fans, here we can also check out another interesting figure about it, that 99 over 99 DEX score as well. So the score is very strong and very pretty good, dear fans. Here you can also check. So here you can also check already a lot of people are buying and selling this amazing project because it have a massive technical inside. So dear friends, if you come on the dexscreener.com, you can also check out its price chart as well as you can also check out its current price here as well. And you want to be buy here, you can also trade here with Solana pair as well. And you can also check out already a lot of people are buying and selling this amazing project here as well. So here we can also check out about its token mix chart as well. So dear fans, here you can also check out its total supply once again as well. You can also check out 0.7 billion FOLX token is reserved for airdrop, as well as 1.25 billion token is for marketing, and 3 billion for pre-sale, 1.4 billion for staking and reward, and 2.85 billion is liquidity, and 0.85% for the team as well. So amazing distributions of the token. Here we can also check out Falcon X token utility. So the first thing is native DEX. The token will be launched in Q2 2024 and will be tradable directly on the website. No, it's amazing figure about this project. You can really love it. Once it will be available for trade, you can easily come on the fallxdex.io and easily buy from here as well. The second thing about this amazing project is stacking rewards. So user can stack their FallX token to earn passive income and help secure the platform. So after stacking will be launched in Q2 2024 for single asset token as well. So the third benefit is long-term Falcon X token value. So due to fixed total supply without minting, the value of the FallX token is likely to increase over the time. And the fourth main feature of this project is Falcon X router. So planned to be implemented in Q4 2024, and the fifth one is cross-chain bridge. So dear fans, scheduled to be launched in Q4 2024, and then you will be able to make any bridge about cross-chain, and easily you can send your token as a bridge as well. So here we can also check out the Falcon X roadmap. So in Q2 2024, the first thing is community build. The founder DEX had passed KYC token verification, video AMA token pre-sale on pink sale audit and token launch. Now the next target is marketing and trending push form and full launch APA clock, Queen market cap, Queen Jaco and Radium listing as well. So here we can also learn more about quarter 3 2024 Telegram bit integration, Falcon X NFT launch partnership, influencer onboarding, top 10 centralized listing as well. So in quarter 4 2024 they have the target to create our very own Falcon X router, Falcon X cross-gen bridge launch, Falcon X NFT gaming development, DeFi gamifications, AI integrations will be included in quarter 4 2024 as well. So here is the section of frequently asked question. Dear fans, here you can also learn about different questions that are popping in your mind, like that what is DEX. You can also get your answer like that is a place where you can buy cryptocurrencies token. Unlike centralized exchange, you have full ownership of cryptocurrencies you own. So Folex DEX introduced native Folex token designed to create a self-sustainable ecosystem with useful utility, rewarding its holder and providing a efficient economic model. And after the pre-sale, it will be available at our DEX on this website as well. So here you can also learn that why it is based on the Solana blockchains. Dear fans, as you know, Solana blockchains were chosen for this project because it is a high performance decentralized blockchain that offers fast transactions at a low cost. So Solana's unique architecture provides scalability without sacrificing decentralization and security. So it's an innovative proof of history. Consensus mechanism allowed to the network to process thousands of transactions per second, making it a blockchain that is fast, secure, and reliable. The next is when it is pre-sale. So DFR Falcon X pink sale fair launch. Pre-sale link will start at right o'clock 8 May 2024 already 9 UTC time and will end at already it is settled. You can also check out the when Folex token will be launched as well. So token and D app launch will be within 48 hours of the fair launch conclusions as well. And here we can also check out about this Falcon X team detail. So the team are very strong and they have a lot of experience. Here you can also find out more information about founder of Falcon X, blockchains developer, front and web developer, Falcon X marketing advisory and Falcon X marketing. So team are very strong here. So here we can also learn more about the partner, associates and listing detail like that DEX tool, DEX Killer, Montauk, new token market, Solid Proof Coin, Jaco Coin market cap and many more as well. So here is another amazing thing about this project, KYC. So the project is already verified. It is very certified of the companies with solid proof, bring trust into your project, and it is also passed KYC on pink sale as well. So it's amazing thing about this project. So first here, if you come on here, you can also check out its certificate of compliance proudly present to Falcon X. The team has passed the KYC verification process. Here you can also check out the date with following requirements as well. Now move on and let's check out the pink sale that KYC verifications. So this KYC page verified that the project has successfully completed the verification process at pink sale. Here you can also check out the project detail like that. Project name is Falcon X, project website. You can also find out website link in my video description. KYC issues May 3 2024 and people verified is 1. So you can easily invest in this project. It is already audited and verified and you can easily get your investment here and make a lot of profit as well. So here you can also find out some social links, and being active on a social network can be a great way to engage with community members from all over the world as well. So here is the official Twitter account. I also recommended to all of you must be follow them to get latest news and updates as well. So this project is a lightning fast DEX on Solana as well. So here you can also check that OKR is the Folex DEX stacking demo enjoying launching the DEX extremely soon. Please enjoy on Telegram to stay tuned. Here you can also check out and watch the video and learn more about here. So here we can also check out another great news that Queen Market Cap team we have made a priority listing application ticket number. You can also check out, as well as you can also come on this link and check out about here. So you can also check out Folex with Solana and you can also check all information here and you can learn more detail and about buying and selling of this project as well. So here we can also check more information about this project as well, and you can also come and check out about the another great news that CoinGecko is listing on Forex as well. So just submit it with a request on CoinGecko, and you can also check out the detail, and you can also check out that Forex is officially listed on Montauk utility. After utility, we are ready to make some noise on the Solana blockchains as well. So first of all, here we can also check out on jackoterminal.com. You can also check out Falcon X with amazing price as well, and here you can also analyze this price chart, and you can also get our information here. So you can also learn more information here. Country ask question, you can learn more. So DFS, here we can also check, if you come on the Montauk, here you can also check out the Falcon X, and you can also check out its current price as well. So price is pretty good. You can also analyze this price chart and learn more information about this project as well. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be join its Telegram to get latest news and update related to this amazing project, as well as I also recommended you to must be subscribe official Falcon X YouTube channel to get latest news and updates, as well as you can also watch their video and learn more information about this project as well. So dear friends, this project have a massive national insight, and very soon you will be able to check out its application, and you can simply click on launch app, and it will be coming soon, and then you will be able to check out here, and you can also buy directly from their app token from here as well. You can hold it and later you can sold and make a lot of profit as well. So this project have a lot of utility, amazing feature, and it can really help you to make a lot of profit. So dear friends, before investing in this project, do your own research and also like this video and share with your friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.